Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to share something with you today that could be a game changer for your financial goals in 2025. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for opportunities to grow your income and explore new ventures, especially ones that don't require you to reinvent the wheel. That's why I couldn't wait to dive into the 2025 Side Hustle Beginner Guides PLR and see what it has to offer. Spoiler alert, it's packed with value and possibilities. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of starting a side hustle, whether it's figuring out where to begin or how to actually turn your ideas into income, you're not alone. That's exactly why this collection stood out to me. It's a complete toolkit designed for beginners, yet robust enough for anyone ready to take their entrepreneurial journey to the next level. The 2025 Side Hustle Beginner Guides PLR includes 45 proven side hustle ideas. These aren't just random suggestions, they're detailed, actionable guides that break down exactly what you need to do. Whether you're interested in online opportunities like freelance programming, blogging, or starting a YouTube channel, or offline ventures such as meal prep services or renting out equipment, there's something for everyone. What I love most is how approachable these guides are. You don't need prior experience to get started. The instructions are clear and practical, walking you through each step so you can take action immediately. For someone like me who values efficiency, this saves so much time compared to figuring things out on your own or scouring the internet for bits and pieces of advice. One of the coolest features is the Unrestricted PLR rights. This means you're not just limited to using the guides for personal growth, you can turn them into a business. Think about it. You can resell the collection, translate the content to reach international audiences, or even repurpose it into products like ebooks, blog posts, or online courses. I've already started brainstorming how to package some of these guides into a workshop, and the possibilities feel endless. Another standout is the ready-to-use sales letter and lead magnet page. If you've ever struggled with writing copy or building a subscriber list, this will make your life so much easier. Everything is done for you. You just tweak the details to fit your brand, and you're good to go. Pair that with the high-converting promo emails included in the package, and you've got a marketing system that practically runs itself. And let's talk about the bonus cheat sheet. This little resource is packed with tips and strategies that help you avoid common pitfalls while accelerating your results. It's a small addition, but it adds so much value because it helps you stay focused and get the most out of every guide. What really sold me on this collection, though, is how flexible it is. I've already repurposed some of the content into blog posts, and I'm planning to expand others into full-length YouTube videos. There's even potential to use these guides as the foundation for a membership site or coaching program. This isn't just a one-off product. It's a resource that can grow with you as you scale your business. If you're serious about exploring side hustles or building additional income streams in 2025, this PLR collection is worth checking out. The guides are practical, the marketing materials are ready to use, and the flexibility opens up so many opportunities to monetize and grow. It's one of those rare resources that truly feels like an investment in your future. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know which side hustle idea you're most excited to try out. See you in the next video.